So guys, I'm gonna show you how to glue back a piece of ceramic cup. This is a mug. Now this is one of those Starbucks location mugs, so I don't really just wanna throw it away. And the thing you have to watch out about is you can use different kinds of super glue on this, but a lot of different super glues are not rated for the microwave. They're not rated for the dishwasher or even a lot of liquid. So this is a pretty simple one here because this is just one piece that chipped off, and it'll go back just like this. So what I'm gonna use, I've done a little bit of research, and I'm gonna use this Loctite super glue. Now this is for ultra liquid control, and they're saying this is dishwasher safe and water resistant. Now, the thing with this, if you look at the back, it's saying it's not safe to put in a microwave. I don't know any super glue that you can put in a microwave just because the mechanics of it, but this one is dishwasher safe, and we really don't microwave these cups really. We don't really microwave fluids anymore that much anyway. So this will work hopefully, and we'll try it on out. Now, one little tip, whenever I'm using super glue, just to save myself some time, I do usually put on some gloves. So we've got the Loctite super glue, the ultra liquid. We'll go ahead and just open it up. And to puncture this, you're gonna turn it clockwise until you hear this clicking stop here. So, and we've heard the clicking stop, so it should be open. I saw a little flash of fluid there, but you press this together to have more come out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the piece itself. Get that all. Going to place this, it's upside down, just back on. Now this would work as well if you had the handle and we got it in place. We're gonna hold that for probably at least 30 seconds. And I like to rotate my finger a little bit in case some got on my finger. You can see it's on my glove. So imagine if you didn't have the gloves on, that would be just a pain. And we'll go ahead and hold that there. So what I will actually do is once this dries, I'm gonna put a little bit, because you can see there's a little chip here for some reason, and I don't want that to get exposed and water to get in here and cause an issue. Is see how at the top here, you've got a little nick? I'm just gonna put a little dot there to kind of create just a little barrier so water's not gonna get into this where the line is. You can do this with the handle as well. You just wanna make sure, I probably wouldn't use it with the handle for at least 24 hours. I'm not gonna use this for 24 hours, currently. And like I said, this is the Loctite super glue. This is dishwasher safe, so you can run this in the dishwasher. So yeah, it's saying you wanna leave this undisturbed for 10 minutes, and then you're gonna get a full cure in 24 hours. So don't put it in the dishwasher, don't use it for at least 24 hours, and it should be good to go. And just remember, it's saying this is not microwave safe. So not microwave safe, but you can put this in the dishwasher after 24 hours. But I hope this helped. I will put a link to this super glue. It took me a while to actually find this. I looked for all kinds of other ones, but they were saying the E6000 is one that they use for pottery and porcelain, but that one you can't have in contact with food or things that you'll put in the dishwasher or microwave. So hope this video helped, guys, and if it did, go ahead and let me know.